Hi, I'm Rosie Slosick of onemanbandaccounting.co.uk and I'm a tax return coach offering retreat courses and coaching. Today I want to talk to you about how you bring capital items into your business. Now, a capital item is a bigger thing in your business. It's an asset. It's something that's going to be around in your business for a good few years, not like a day-to-day cost, which is called an expense. So examples would be your laptop, your camera, your lamp, your desk, things like a WordPress theme if you buy it once instead of if you buy it year by year. And quite often things like if you pay for branding, if it's a one-off package for your business and obviously it's going to last you a good time until you rebrand again, that's a capital item. So quite often people start a business. Sometimes they've actually already paid for quite a few things and they want to know is actually can they get tax relief for that? So that's what we're going to talk about. So the first thing is if you're a limited company, you sometimes can, but you need to go and ask your accountant about that one because the rules are different. Today I'm going to talk about sole traders. Now, for a sole trader, what you need to do is to take the date that you started your business, which is the date that you told HMRC you started your business, and on that day you need to know the second-hand price of the item. So say you bought your laptop a few years ago, you need to know the date, on the date that you started your business, what was the second-hand price of that laptop at the time. You can do this by looking at eBay, just asking about eBay, and that kind of places are actually better because effectively it's subjective. And what you then do is you take a screenshot of it. You need to keep a record, and then that's the value that you put into your business for that particular item. And it's actually that simple. The next thing is whether or not, of course, it's tax deductible, which is, again, a different conversation, but most of these things usually are. But what you do need to make sure you do is that if you're using this item for personal use as well as business, for example, you've got your DSLR camera that you use for your blog, but you also use it to take family snaps, for example. You've got your laptop that you use for business, but you also use it for personal. That's absolutely fine, but you do need to split the percentage of that. So, because obviously you can't have tax relief for all of it if you're using some of it for personal reasons. So what you need to do is, for example, say you use your laptop 70% for your business and 70% for personal. Then keep a record of that, and then you want 70% of that second-hand price. That's the amount. That's the amount that you actually put through. That simple, really. Just obviously keep a record of it because you want to make sure what you've actually. You want to make sure you know what you've actually done for later on, and just because it's good practice for your records as well. So that's it. That's how you bring capital items into your business. I'm Rosie Slosick. I'm a tax return coach for cake loving freelancers, and I offer retreat courses and coaching. If you're wanting more help with your tax return, have a look at my tax return group coaching program. There's a link on the screen, and there's also a link in the box if you're watching this on YouTube.